Leadership Houston began in 1982 with the focus of providing a distinctive opportunity for Houston leaders to contribute to this great city. 41 years later, we remain committed to the mission of enlightening, empowering, and engaging diverse community leaders as they increase their civic leadership capacity for the benefit of Greater Houston through our signature program. We continue to provide relevant programs and service opportunities for our alumni as we look to the future of our organization. We envision Houston as a world-class city shaped by elite leaders demonstrating community, diversity, and purpose. Each of us has the opportunity to be the foundation and force to keep Houston dynamic. Thank you for partnering with Leadership Houston and remaining committed to our collective success.
My wife and son and I moved to Houston in 2005, but it really wasn't until going through Leadership Houston that we decided to make Houston home. And it was the connections that we made with the 50-odd people who have been selected because of the leadership that they bring to the program, and the connections you make and the relationships you make and the things that you do together, the experience you receive together that bonds you as a class.
Whether you've lived here a long time, not a long time, it really immerses you in a really amazing experience that you wouldn't get to have otherwise.
Part of my reasoning for wanting to join Leadership Houston was because I felt like I had a good, strong hold in one particular sector, education, and being able to get out of that space and to learn about all the different sectors of Houston, from economy to businesses to civic engagement and beyond, is an eye-opening experience that really allowed me to understand my place in Houston.
You will spend 10 months of your life, once a month, with great people, learning together, learning about Houston, how you then can become an integral part of the community and give back to the city that really has given you all the wonderful things it can offer.
If you're on the fence of getting involved with Leadership Houston, make the jump, be involved. You will not regret it, I guarantee.